So sometimes when you're making a game, you probably have no idea what you're doing. You might think that you do, but you're probably wrong if you're experiencing an issue. So yeah, in the last video, I was concerned that my open world was loading very slowly in the editor. I'm just going to go ahead and load into it. This is a build, and it probably took me 3 seconds to load into the scene, which is an acceptable time. It was taking about 15 seconds in the Unity editor. And I know the Unity editor has a good amount of overhead, but I really didn't expect it to have that much. So I ended up wasting a little bit of time, not too much time, maybe about an hour, hour and a half, just looking around trying to isolate what the biggest issue was. And ultimately that was just a waste of time, because if I would have done just a single test build, which takes 5 minutes to make and load up, I would have known immediately what the issue was, and it was just the Unity editor overhead. So that being said, there was actually no issue, which means I get to continue working on this game instead of redesigning the current architecture that I have, because everything's working well so far. So I guess moving forward, the next steps are to try to figure out what exactly I want to do with the game. I'm gonna create some characters. I'm gonna use Reallusion Character Creator, and gonna try to start writing a story and come up with all of the different racers, the opponents that you would meet in the game. I need to figure out which vehicle models I'm gonna use, and I need to finish building the open world. I just have a lot of content creation work to do, and I'm really excited to do this because I've waited many, many years to get to this point, and I'm happy I'm finally here. So we'll see what happens next. Thanks for checking this out. I'll see you in one of the next videos.